guys, so the new switch came. I plugged it in, tested it, works perfect. So boop boop boop. But now I have to get this black part hooked onto here with these little clippy jobbies. All these things, there's these little ears go down over it. They go down over this, okay? And then I had to try to get this side plate on, but I didn't realize that this, I just yanked it out, and I shouldn't have. So these come in, they go in like this. They have a little U, so they go in and push back. After they push back, I have a screw that goes in there. There's my daughter to help me with my science lesson. Say hi. Say hi to the guys.
I have a question.
What?
It's not for the video.
Hold on, I'll pause. Alright, sorry for the interruption. So this will go on here. This will go on here, hopefully. Clip this down. This will go on. These two plastic pieces will help kind of, that black piece and this, these two will go in this gap here, to hold it, and then I have one screw to put in there to hold it tight. After that, bang bang boom. I'm missing a couple screws, I think. I don't know. I put one somewhere and I shouldn't have. Maybe I don't know. Because all of them are the same size except for this little bip bip. So I don't really know what that means. I heard a cat. Hey beep beep. It's Betty. Betty hates me. Not really too fond of her. She just liked me. So I'm gonna put this back together, I hope. I'm probably going to switch this screw out. There's one on the front of this. Maybe that's the right thread. But it was a Phillips. And all these are not. Probably missed one somewhere. Alright, see ya. So here we are. Back at the beginning. Everything's back together. The only thing I'm not really happy with is this. Looks like it got out a little bit. But I don't even know what I'd do about that, to be honest. But do test run. Do. Oh yeah. Just hope it's hot. Now that I think about it. What if like I did all this and it wasn't just the starter, it was the heater too. So I'm gonna give it a minute or two. Second. 7 seconds, and open it up real quick and see if it's hot. Ooh, it is not yet. Okay. Okay, so yeah. Got dryer back together. There was no heat. So I came in here. You're not gonna be able to see this. Is stupid lighting. Alright, so this wire here was not connected, which is the same exact wire that goes over to here. Now, the good news is there's literally only one place this wire can go in here, which is there. Okay, tough to see, but there's only one place that can go in there. But when I get over to here, there's two. There's this one where I did at the top, and there's that little one at the bottom. So I took a chance because looking at it, it doesn't look like much. But there's a little tiny bit of wear on there. Where am I? Oh, little tiny bit of wear on there. Kind of shiny-ish. Down here, the thing looks like it's never been touched. Dust on it and everything. So I want this one. And guess what? It works. Ah, no, it's not tight enough. So I gotta take this little tiny middle piece and bend it down just a little bit. Just a little bit, so it will catch and go in there tight. I don't want it to wiggle off. In fact, now that I think about it, that's what happened. And this thing was so loose that after the dryer goes ballistic, the wire came off. Maybe it was never my starter to begin with. Maybe it was never my starter to begin with. Seriously. So I paid $60 to learn. I'll bet you that's exactly what was it. Alright. I'll let you know when I get this back together. See ya. Alright, here it is. Running. Everything's running. And when I open it up, well, nah, I guess I can't open it up. And it's definitely hot in here. Warm. Alright, cool. Awesome. Thanks. I wish I had the other part of the switch that I lost in the basement to see if it was a switch or not. But I'm sure it wasn't. It wasn't a switch. So I spent $60 to learn about a dryer. Okay with that, I guess, ish, rather than pay $200 for a guy to come out to tell me. Whatever. So yeah. So we're in the dryer at the hotel we're staying